Shirley here back with another video. If you are new, remember to hit that subscribe button. We are all about welcome back to the blog. Shirley here back with another video. If you are new, remember to hit that subscribe button. Baby in the background. Retake again. We're gonna get ready to clean this house up. I do got a couple of emails and things that I got to answer, but we're gonna start our day. I think I did really good this morning. I got up, put my workout fit on, got my watch already charged, ready to go. So once we go out and do this walk, we're gonna see how many steps that is. It is 11:40 right now, probably around 12. We're gonna do our walk. Once I get done cleaning this up, Ashir's already dressed. Gotta get Ramir dressed. And we're gonna go for a little scroll around the neighborhood. So energized this morning. I'm super duper happy. I'm super happy. My lips are healing. They're still healing. If you don't know, I did a lip scrub probably a couple videos back, but I did a lip scrub and I was peeling all of the dead skin off my lips, and it kind of burnt it on each side. So I've been putting my lip gloss and things on it to help heal. It's healing pretty quickly. But today I feel so good, you guys. Starting your day off with, and I did listen to Jim Rowe. He's a motivational speaker. Love him. Very informative, very motivating. I remember why I used to do it. I'm relearning myself, I'm reprogramming myself, and we're redoing our lifestyle. Day by day, step by step, slowly but surely, we are making improvements. I remember I told you guys that I was getting a new rug and curtains and all that type of stuff. It got delivered yesterday. My dining room table is going to be here probably in the next 2 days, but I already got my dining room chair. Super cute. Can't wait to see how that's going to turn out. We're going to do an unboxing, and then we're going to stage the living room, clean up a little bit, refresh, open some windows, make it smell good, and then we're gonna be done for the day, y'all. I feel super good. But I'll catch you guys back later once I get everything clean. We go for our walk, and I will check back with you guys. Bye. We just got our new curtains. Abstract black lines on it. I think it matches well with the gray, but this one here actually goes to the kitchen. So we gotta put the kitchen curtains up, and then we're gonna put this carpet down. I think that's gonna be really cute with the new dining room table, along with the chairs. Look really nice. So we just checked Amazon. They said the delivery is out today. So we're gonna get the living room carpet delivered today, and we're gonna put that down here, because this one is a 5x7. The one that I got is a 9x12, so it's gonna take up way more space than this. But this right here is really cute. I like it. I like the color. It's nice and soft.